This is the Karcher OC3, a portable cleaner that will help keep your kit clean on the go. It's designed to be small enough to fit in the boot of your car alongside the rest of your gear. The hose and nozzle pack away neatly inside, making it easy to transport. It's built to be as light as possible, so it's easy to use in any environment. The 4-litre tank holds enough water for 2 minutes of continuous spray time. More than enough for a bike, surfboard, wetsuit, walking boots, or even beloved pets. If 4 litres isn't quite enough, the additional adventure box comes with an auxiliary suction hose that allows you to use alternative water sources and make the most of the 15-minute battery life. An additional bike box is also available that makes the most of the brush attachment to remove stubborn dirt in awkward places. However you choose to use it, the OC3 will help you keep your kit clean and ultimately make it last longer.